Welcome students, in this video we'll learn what report writing is, what is its format, and we'll also see a few samples और हम ये जानेंगे कि किस तरह के questions हमारे एग्जाम में क्लास 11th और 12th के आते हैं. First of all, it is important to know what is a report. When it comes to a report, it is a factual description or account of an event, issue or a problem. कोई भी इवेंट हो, कोई भी इश्यू हो, उसके रिलेटेड रिपोर्ट्स लिखी जाती है या फिर किसी प्रॉब्लम से रिलेटेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल FIR, फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन रिपोर्ट, ये भी एक तरह की रिपोर्ट ही है. There are many types of reports, but we'll focus only two types. First one is newspaper report and school magazine report, because these two are in a syllabus of class 12th and 11th CBSE exam. Now, points to remember before writing any type of report. So first point we have, a report is always written to be read by someone. Obviously we know this. There is always a reason or purpose for writing a report. Without purpose, no report is written. The reader can be a specific reader or a general reader. Specific reader यहाँ पे हो जाता है in case of school magazine. Like specific readers are the students and the teachers and the parents also, sometimes management and these people. So specific readers. And general reader here means in case of newspaper report. Okay, so general public, for general public newspaper reports are written. A report is generally published in newspaper and magazines. It should be written in third person and passive voice. This is really very important. We are going to use third person throughout and passive voice. Third person क्या होता है? First person, second person and third person pronouns we have. First person is I, my, me and our, like these, everything. These pronouns are to be avoided. Second person pronoun is you and yours. So these are also not used. Third person pronouns are the names and they, their, he, she, it, all those pronouns. Okay, so these are the pronouns which are supposed to be used while writing a report, means third person pronouns. And when it comes to passive voice, so passive voice क्या होता है? We have two types of voices. First one is active voice, second one is passive voice. Active voice has a sentence structure of subject plus verb plus object, and passive voice has a sentence structure of object plus verb plus by then subject. तो ये वाला जो structure होता है, this is supposed to be followed while writing a report. We'll see in examples how. In short, a reporter has a writer, an event to report, a specific purpose and a definite or target reader that we discussed. Now, newspaper report. Now we'll see how to write newspaper report. It is brief, factual but written in an interesting manner. एक interesting manner में लिखा जाना चाहिए newspaper report. It should be short also and it should have facts only. Facts have to be accurate and truthful. No unnecessary detail या कुछ भी गलत चीज report में include नहीं की जानी चाहिए. It should be reported objectively. Only relevant information related to our title is to be presented or points should be included in it. बस relevant information यानी कि जो काम की बातें हैं बस वही include की जानी चाहिए newspaper report में. No elaborate details are needed. कुछ भी extra लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Word limit generally for report writing will be 120 to 150 words, and in term 2 exam you will be awarded 4 marks for this. It is usually written in third person, which I explained previously. Indirect speech and passive voice. Passive voice भी मैंने बताया. Indirect speech, here two types of speech we have, direct speech and indirect speech. तो जो डायरेक्ट स्पीच होती है वो होती है जो हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखते हैं, लाइक ही सेड एंड देन कॉमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कॉमा देन समथिंग इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज दिस वे. ओके, दिस वन इज टू बी अवॉइडेड. यूजुअली नहीं यूज करते हैं बट इन अ फ्यू केसेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिमांड ऑफ द सिचुएशन यू कैन यूज. और जो विदाउट इन्वर्टेड कॉमास वाला फॉर्म होता है कोई भी इंसिडेंट नरेट करने का, वी हैव टू यूज दैट वन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट यू हैव द इवेंट्स have already occurred, obviously तभी तो हम इसकी रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं. So the tenses used should be simple past, past continuous and past perfect. ये 3 tenses हमें यूज करने होते हैं यूजुअली रिपोर्ट राइटिंग में. तो जो सिंपल पास्ट है इसका वर्ब फॉर्म होता है verbs सेकेंड फॉर्म. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस वर्ब फॉर्म इज was or were plus ing form of verb. Fine. And past perfect we have had plus verbs third form or past participle form. So these are the verb forms which are to be used while writing a report. Next point we have the language used is neutral, formal and should include terms of journalistic vocabulary. Journalistic vocabulary बस हम use करते हैं newspaper reports में, not in school magazine reports. The report should have an appropriate, clear and factual approach. Mention the purpose of the report also and how information was collected. ये भी आपको बतानी होती है कुछ cases में कि information आपको कहाँ से लगी. Now, very important part of our report is conclusion. It is really important to write down conclusion, and a conclusion should be a summary of the situation, an appeal, a warning, a recommendation, whatever is appropriate. Situation के according ये depend करता है कि हमारा conclusion क्या होना चाहिए. Now we come to the format part. Format of a newspaper report or a magazine report. So first of all comes heading or title of the report, then comes name, rank, position etc. of the person writing. इसको हम byline भी कहते हैं. सबसे पहले heading, हेडलाइन या फिर टाइटल आती है रिपोर्ट की, देन कम्स द बायलाइन मीन्स नेम ऑफ द पर्सन हु हैज रिटन. जैसे कि बाय अ स्पेशल कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट अनीता शर्मा TOI एटसेट्रा. ये क्या हो गया, ये हमारा हो गया बायलाइन. ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ शुड स्टार्ट विद द इवेंट बीइंग रिपोर्टेड. हम कौन सा इवेंट रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ में वो होना चाहिए. लाइक देन व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हेन, वेयर एंड हाउ. ये चीजें हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करनी है, यानी कि ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ में लिखना है. देन कम्स डिटेल्स, ऑल द रेलिवेंट डिटेल्स टू बी पुट इन अ लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस हमारा लॉजिकल होना चाहिए. व्हाट कम्स फर्स्ट शुड बी गिवन फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इन द रिपोर्ट. इट शुड बी रिपोर्टेड ऑब्जेक्टिवली. ऑब्जेक्टिवली मीन्स अगर आप किसी भी इवेंट की रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो इफ 2 parties are involved, for example party A and party B, you do not have to be biased at all. Whether you support party B or A, it doesn't matter. But आपको जो रिपोर्टिंग करनी है वो ऑब्जेक्टिवली ही करनी है. जैसे कि आपने जो देखा सेम चीज नरेट कर दी. You do not have to put your views like according to me, I think that, I feel that. These things are not supposed to be included in a report. Now special note. A report for a school magazine follows the same format as given above for a newspaper report. Report जो मैगजीन की होती है, स्कूल मैगजीन की, उसका भी फॉर्मेट बिल्कुल न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट का ही होता है, कुछ अलग नहीं होता है. बट लैंग्वेज थोड़ा डिफरेंट होती है. लाइक इट इज नॉट एज फॉर्मल एज न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट, इट इज सेमी फॉर्मल. जैसे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट की भाषा बहुत ही फॉर्मल हो जाती है, बट मैगजीन की जो स्कूल मैगजीन की रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो थोड़ी कम फॉर्मल होती हैं. द राइटर्स नेम एंड क्लास आर मेंशन्ड जस्ट बिलो द हेडिंग और टाइटल ऑफ द रिपोर्ट. जो हम रिपोर्ट लिखते हैं स्कूल मैगजीन में, तो जहाँ पे हम बायलाइन लिखते हैं वहाँ हम राइटर का नाम, क्लास और सेक्शन मेंशन करते हैं. द डेट एंड द वेन्यू शुड कम इन द contents and not at the beginning. If we are reporting anything that took place in the school, हम उसकी reporting कर रहे हैं and we are about to write that report for school magazine, तो ये venue वगैरह हम बाद में introduction के बाद लगाते हैं, डालते हैं. Now we'll see a few samples. The first sample which we have is reporting an accident. So as the title itself is letting us know that we here are talking about a न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट. हम यहाँ पे किसी भी न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टाइटल हियर, 29 किल्ड एज गुड्स ट्रेन रैम्स इनटू इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस इन MP. ये तो हो गया हमारा टाइटल. देन हियर वी हैव बाय लाइन बाय समीर गुप्ता. दिस इज द रिपोर्टर हु रोट दिस रिपोर्ट. रिपोर्ट इज भोपाल 26 जनवरी 2022. यहाँ पे वेयर and when, ये बता दिया गया. In a ghastly train wreck, at least 29 people were killed and over 50 injured when a goods train rammed into the Indore-Gwalior Intercity Express at Shivpuri station an hour before dawn on Monday. यहाँ पे वो भी टाइम बता दिया कि एक्सीडेंट ये कब हुआ. इवन आप देखें यहाँ पे 50 इंजर्ड, ओनली दिस इज सेड दैट ओवर 50 पीपल आर इंजर्ड. अननेसेसरी डिटेल्स लाइक किस तरह की इंजरी है, दैट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड हियर. Next paragraph we have the express train was stationary when the goods train rammed straight into it, mangling several of its compartments into a jumbled mass of steel. जो यहाँ पे बताने लायक है कि क्या क्या क्षति हुई है वो सभी बताया जा रहा है. The two drivers of the good trains are on the run. The wounded are shifted to hospitals in Gwalior. The chief minister announced a compensation of 5 lakh each for the family of those killed. The West Central Railway has ordered a departmental probe into the accident. तो जो भी यहाँ पे necessary details थी वो सभी दे दी गई हैं. Unnecessary details इस report में नहीं दी गई हैं. Now we'll see next sample that is based on some visual inputs. Sometimes in our exams this also happens that कोई pie chart दे दिया गया या फिर कोई bar graph या कोई भी इमेज दे दी जाती है और उस पर बेस्ड हमें रिपोर्ट लिखनी होती है. तो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अ सर्वे वाज मेड रिसेंटली टू फाइंड आउट हाउ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स स्पेंड देयर टाइम आफ्टर स्कूल. इसका सर्वे हुआ था एंड दीज आर द फाइंडिंग्स एंड वी हैव टू write a report based on these two findings. First pie chart here is about boys and the second one is about girls. So we can see here it is categorized like 20% surfing internet, 20% strolling, 30% prefer movie, 10% watching TV, 20% McDonald's. And similarly यहाँ girls का भी data दिया हुआ है, 30% watch TV, 15%. तो difference है data में. So now we have to prepare a report based on these findings. Survey reveals how boys and girls spend time after school. So this is the title of our survey. This we have taken from the question itself. By ABC survey. यहाँ पे जो सर्वे किया गया है वो किसी सर्वे एजेंसी द्वारा किया गया है, तो हम उसका यहाँ पे मेंशन कर रहे हैं, not of any individual. So here it is. Kolkata, now name of the place, 12th July date and year also. The recent survey conducted by ABC Survey, again name of the survey agency is mentioned, has revealed a marked difference between how boys and girls spend their time after school. Only 10% boys like to spend their time watching TV programs. अब हम देखेंगे इस रिपोर्ट में कि जो भी हमने परसेंटेजेस पाई चार्ट में पढ़े, all the percentages are quoted here and at a few places they are in the form of comparison as well. Like here 20% of the boys prefer strolling with friends but 15% of girls stay home and talk to their friends on phone. The only commonly shared interest is eating out at McDonald's, जो कि ये 20% दोनों में था, boys and girls. So one thing is here that we could see that no segment was given to reading and playing. So here last line is added here. Strangely, both boys and girls have shown no desire to play and read here. Okay, so this one is also mentioned according to the survey. So one thing you must have noticed here is that no unnecessary detail is given. कुछ भी unimportant यहाँ पे add नहीं किया गया है. Whatever was given in that pie chart, everything has been recorded objectively without being biased, without adding anything from the writer's side. Now next we have the sample, a report on a science exhibition cum competition held in your school. तो ये भी हमें objectively ही report करना है. So here is the report. School's science exhibition cum competition a grand success. This title we took from the question itself. ये हो गया हमारा title. And then we have byline by Sumati Singh, class 11B. As it is a school magazine report, so class and section also is mentioned here. Jammu, name of the place, January 12, 2022. Our school Apex International Jammu recently conducted Dhara, a 3-day science exhibition cum competition on school premises. ये हो गया place where it was conducted. Other details like Who took this initiative? Amity International Science Congress Foundation, AISCF ने लिया. And even the chairperson also was the one who initiated this project, and a name of the chairperson is given and why it was given: to pay tribute to our planet Earth. This year's focal theme, sustainable development theme जो थी इस exhibition की, that also is mentioned here, was impressively conveyed through innovative projects, building ecological awareness through an in-depth study of land resources, exploring boundless possibilities to promote the same. ये हो गया. फिर यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया. देन अदर पीपल लाइक प्रिंसिपल ऑल्सो वॉज प्रेजेंट थ्रू आउट. डॉक्टर कविता शर्मा was also present at the 3-day event. The exhibits highlighted themes such as effect of population pressure. मतलब इनका theme क्या था, that also here is explained nicely in this report without giving unnecessary details. That was all about report writing. Thank you everybody for watching.